Alright guys, we are going to do lesson 2.1 today. And lesson 2.1 is multiplying 3-digit and 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Very similar to what we did yesterday. Okay? Unlock the problem. Alley Spring in Missouri produces an average of 567 million gallons of water per week. How many million gallons of water do the spring produce in 3 weeks? Okay, so when we talk about our what do we need to do or what do we need to know, we need to know how many million gallons of water do the springs produce in 3 weeks. Okay, so let's estimate. 567 rounded to the nearest hundred would be 600. Okay, so 3 times 600, 3 times 6 is 18. Let's add our 2 zeros. So we're shooting for a number close to 1,800. Okay, now first step we're going to do is we are going to multiply the ones. Now I'm going to jump over to my dot camera here. Oh, I get rid of these. Okay. So I am going to move this into place a little bit better. Alright. So step 1, we are going to multiply the ones. Okay, we know that our ones are, here's my blue, right here. So we know that 7 times 3 is 21, but we can't write a 21 right there. So we're going to say that we have 1, 1. We need to regroup our 2 tens. So we're going to place them up above the 6. So we know that we have 6 tens, but now we have 2 more tens as well. Okay? So I'm going to grab my other color here. So now our step 2, we are going to multiply the tens. This is step 2, 5, 6, 7. So right now we already have our 1 in the spot where it needs to be. 2 up here. Alright. Okay. So now we're going to multiply our tens. Well, our tens are right here. And these are our bonus tens up here. So if we do 6 times 60 times 3 would be 0, would be 180. But we can't write 180 on this line. And we also have to add our 2. So 180 plus 2 more tens would be 200. So I am going to put my 0 right here because I have 200. So I'm going to add my 200s up here. Okay, so now our last step is going to be step 3. 567 times 3. We already have our 1 and our 0. We're going to add our 2 here. So now we're multiplying right here. Oops. So now we're multiplying right here. We've got 3 times 5 would be 15. Add those zeros, but we have 2 more, so we're going to add 200 more, so we're going to get 1,700. So we're going to add our 17 right here, a 1. So our answer to the problem is 1,701. Now let's run back to our screen here. We go back to our screen, 1,701. So our answer to this problem, if we want to, we can fill all this stuff in real quick. from what we just did over there. This is 21 ones. 6 times 3 is 18 tens. And then we added our 2 tens. 5 times 3 is 15 hundreds. So they produced 1,701 million gallons. That is a lot of gallons. Think of that as milk jugs. That's 1,701 1-gallon milk jugs. Crazy. All right, let's try another one. That's right. Okay, so the table shows the prices of 3 vacation packages that Jake and his parents and his sisters are going to choose. Want to choose a package. Okay? About how much would package C cost Jake's family? Okay? So, we have Jake's family. It says parents, there's 2 parents, him and his sister. So there are going to be 2 adults and 2 kids. So first let's look up here. We're looking for package C. Package C. So 2 adults. 2 adults in package C are $699. And the children in package C are $484 a piece. So let's estimate $699. That is pretty easy. Pretty close to $700. So we're going to get 1,400. Now, 484 rounds to 500. So that is 1,000. Add the estimates. 1,400 plus 1,000 equals 2,400. Okay, so there's our estimate. Our estimate is 2,400. Okay, so I am going to move back to my screen here. Whoop. Alright, so let's move over to this guy right here. Gotta look at this number one more time. We have package C is $699 for each adult and $484 for each child. Alright, now we can go back here. So, what I need to do first is I'm going to multiply 699. Here, I'm going to get a better color there. So $699. We get multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 because there's mom and dad. 9 times 2 is 18. So we have our 1. We're going to regroup over here. So we add an extra 10. So 2 times 90 would be 180 plus 10 would be 190. So I'm going to put my 9 tens here. I'm going to carry my 100. 2 times 600 would be 1200s. Add 100, we would get 1300s. Okay, so there's our adult tickets. Let's try our kiddo tickets. Our kiddo tickets, 484, also times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. We don't even have to regroup. Whoop, whoop. 2 times 8, 80 would be 160. I'm going to put my 60 here, and I'm going to carry my 100. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 900. So I have 1,398 plus 968. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is where we are going to... I'm trying to find a different marker, but maybe I don't have another one. It should be somewhere. Well, does yellow show up? Yeah, yellow shows up. So we're going to take the adult cost $1,398. We are going to add $968. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 6 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 3 plus 9 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Carry the one more time, 1 plus 1. So our grand total for our trip is $2,356. Now, if I remember right, our estimate was $2,400. These two numbers are very close. So we can say that we have a reasonable answer. Let's go back in and fill in what we need to on our screen. Jake's family wants to compare the total cost of package A and package C. Okay. So we did this part without, we did our estimate and we did everything. Alright, so let's check this one. Now we're going to go to compare package A and package C. Alright, so package A, so our package C we already have our numbers for. Because we knew that this one, I just erased it all. Well, let's just do it again. Here we go. 1,299 and 619. 1,299 times 2. So that's the adults in package A, and the kiddos were 619. 619 times 2. Alright, let's do this one first. 2 times 9 is 18. We're going to carry our 10. 2 times 90 would be 180, plus 1 would be 90. 190, so we're going to carry our 100. 2 times 2 is 4. Add 1 more 100 is 500. 2 times 1 is 2. Alright, so the adults in package A are $2,598. The kiddos, 2 times 9 is 18. We're going to carry that 10. 2 times 10 is 20, plus 1 more 10 would be 30. 2 times 6 would be 12. So $1,238. So we're going to add these two up. I get 16, 12, 13, 8. So package A is going to cost $3,836. Alright, let me get those numbers for package C. $699 and $484. $699, $484 is for the kiddos times 2. And let's do $699. $699 also times 2. So here's our 8. 18, there's 9, carry 100, $13.98. Our package for the kiddos is 8. $968, 16, 15, 16, 12, 13. Alright, so package, oops, I'm sorry, I didn't see that. So here's our price for package C, and there's package A. So let's use red here and go 3,836, take away 2,366. That is what it's asking us. I gotta make sure. Yep, we can just do it right there. 6 take away 6 is 0. 6 take away 3, can't do it. Go next door. Borrow. 13 take away 7. 7 take away 3 is 4. 3 take away 2 is $1,470. So, back into here. So, 6 minus 6 is 0. So here's our 7, goes up here. 7. 7 take away 3 is 4. So, package A would cost $1,470 more than package C. I know this was a long video, so hopefully it helped. You got to do one part twice. My bad. Have a good day, guys.